What's happening, people? This is 13 of 100, the 100 days of YouTube, 100 videos challenge. For today, we're gonna go with a window reflection, how to apply a window reflection to any image. So the image I have here, and all images I will use will be in the description with their links provided. So with this image here, we have a woman sitting in a cafe, but we wanna add a window reflection to it. So with the other image provided, we're going to put that on top of this layer right now. As you can see, we've got this nice city view. So as it's put in, we can shift select it and expand the image to how we want the reflection to look first. I'm going to keep it around this size. I think this will look cool. Click enter. First things first, we go here, go to screen, and it's already going to give you a slight effect. But we want it to look more realistic. So we go to add new adjustment layer, go to levels, and you just want to play around here with this top bit. With these levels here, play around with them ever so slightly until you're happy with what you get. Now we want to reduce the opacity to about 50. Looks good. Create clipping mask. Then go back, because you might want to make it look a little bit brighter or darker. So go to brightness and contrast right here, and you can play around with this however you like. I'm going to keep it probably a bit, just darken it ever so slightly, add a clipping mask, looks good. And then just for the final touch, before we do the last thing, so not the final touch, go to the polygon lasso tool. I'm not going to apply a feather. I'm going to create a new layer, and then you want to create a kind of diagonal line. This is just going to add some light glare that we can create. Go to the gradient tool, go to foreground and transparent, which is on the basics, the middle one here. Click OK and make sure you have white selected as the main color. Now ever so slightly, just add however much you want. Then Command D or Control D to deselect, as long as you're happy with that. And now the final thing, just click on the image, filter, blur, Gaussian blur, keep it at 12, just to add a little blur so you have more focus on the image itself. And now you can just move around the image wherever you want to keep that reflection wherever you feel it's right. Now this can be applied to any single image. This is just an example. I hope this has helped. Definitely give it a go. Try it, send it to me on my Instagram. The link is in the bio as well, and I can give you feedback. I hope this has helped again. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.